Mira. Ach. Ach. Ach.
Beasley Hotel in Kowloon. Thank you. Okay, Dukes. You know why we're taking you back, Frank. Let's go. Just stay out of the Starship business, okay? IP, Pal, Space. Government has invested a lot of time and money into it. Uncle Sam can't afford to let you go. Morgan heard. That's why we're here. To make sure. So they can talk on it. I'll be in the airport in 2 days. Not good enough. Between my lips.